How to fix Facebook profile, add music to profile option not showing. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So in your Facebook profile, if the add music option is missing, you might be lacking an update of your Facebook. Now to quickly update your application, head over and launch your Play Store. If you are an iOS user, you can launch your App Store. Tap on the search icon where you need to search for your Facebook. Now once you are in here, click on your Facebook app. If you see any of the update available, make sure to tap on the update icon. Once you do so, after it is updated, you can click on the open button and navigate to your profile to add music to your profile. If it still does not work, your application needs a restart. If you don't know how, follow this step. You can press and hold onto your Facebook application and head over to App Info. Here, you need to tap on the force stop button and OK. This will quickly restart your app for you. If it still does not work, the last resort would be to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.